This is a format. First we have to take gross liability of each underwriter. So we took your company also, because underwriting is for part of the issue. So for the non-underwritten share, company becomes the underwriter. Then we have to deduct unmarked application, and that credit we are giving to the company because it is the underwriter for the shares non-underwritten, and it becomes marked application for the issuing company. Less surplus accruing to company credited to underwriter. So if a company gets a surplus, then that surplus we have to share among remaining underwriters, means between underwriters. Less marked application, less liability under firm underwriting. We'll see with an example. Mrs. X, Y and Z underwrite 80%, that means part of the issue. Total shares is 1 lakh shares of A Limited in the ratio of 2:2:1. So these three underwriters, they underwrite 80% of the issue, that is in the ratio of 2:2:1. So ratio is given. So this 1 lakh we have to calculate what is the underwriting of each of the underwriter. Then here firm underwriting given separately, so that is how much shares that is each of the underwriter they'll take up. Then marked application, the marked application that have come through each of the underwriter. Application for 80,000 shares were received in all. That means from the public, company received 80,000 shares. Compute the liability of each of the underwriter. Here is the statement. So 3 underwriters are there plus issuing company, because underwriting is for part of the issue. We have to take gross liability. So liability of underwriters, it is 80% of the issue. That is 1 lakh into 80%, that is 80,000. And this 80,000 we have to share, means we have includes underwriting of 3 underwriters. So what is the underwriting given by each of the underwriter we have to calculate. For that we require ratio, and that ratio given in problem only. That is 2:2:1. 80,000 into 2 by 5, 80,000 into 2 by 5, that is 32,000. 80,000 into 1 by 5, that is 16,000. Now we have to calculate what is a non-underwritten shares. That is 1 lakh total shares minus underwritten is for 80,000. Then remaining shares, that is a non-underwritten shares, that is 20,000. Less credit for unmarked application, that is total application received from the public minus marked application. Total application 80,000 and marked application of 3 underwriters 20,000, 15,000 and 5,000. So unmarked application is 40,000, and benefit is given to only company because part of the issue is underwritten. So here we'll be getting surplus in company's account. So that surplus we have to credit to underwriters in order to reduce their liability in 2:2:1 ratio. Total surplus is 20,000. 20,000 into 2 by 5, 20,000 into 2 by 5 and 20,000 into 1 by 5. In that way we have to share this surplus. That is 8,000, 8,000 and 4,000. And here we get liability of a company nil. Less marked application given in problem 20,000, 15,000 and 5,000. Marked application company nil. So under normal underwriting, this is the liability. X 4,000, Y 9,000 shares, Z 7,000 shares for the company. Liability is nil. Add liability under firm underwriting given in a problem, that is 12,000, 10,000 and 8,000 shares. Therefore, total liability is for X 16,000 shares, Y 19,000 shares, Z 15,000 shares, and for the company it is nil. It is liability. We'll see the next case, and that is the last case. Case 8, when there is partial and firm underwriting by 2 or more underwriters. So part of the issue is in underwritten, and if there is a firm underwriting, that is to take up a definite or specified number of shares, so that is by 2 or more underwriters. How the underwriter's liability is calculated, we'll see.